Welcome back to my channel Farancho Flawless Beauty Tips. Caring for oily skin is important to keep it healthy and blemish-free. Gentle cleansing: use a mild, foaming cleanser to wash your face twice a day, morning and night. Avoid harsh scrubs: don't use rough scrubs as they can irritate and stimulate more oil production. Water-based products: choose water-based or oil-free skincare products to avoid adding extra oil to your skin. Hydration is key: even oily skin needs moisture. Use a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. Sunscreen is a must: always apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher to protect your skin from sun damage. Blotting papers: carry blotting papers to gently dab away excess oil during the day. No picking or squeezing: avoid picking at pimples as it can lead to more oil production and scarring. Regular exfoliation: use a gentle exfoliating product containing salicylic acid or glycolic acid once a week to unclog pores. Cleanse after exercise: after a workout, cleanse your face to remove sweat and oil buildup. Avoid hot water: use lukewarm water for washing your face as hot water can strip away essential oils. Fragrance-free products: opt for fragrance-free skincare to prevent skin irritation. Balanced diet: eat a balanced diet with plenty of fruits and vegetables to maintain overall skin health. Limit dairy and sugar: some people find that reducing dairy and sugary foods can help control oiliness. Stay hydrated: drink enough water to keep your skin hydrated from within. Hands off: avoid touching your face as it can transfer dirt and oil from your hands to your skin. Oil-free makeup: use oil-free or non-comedogenic makeup products to prevent clogged pores. Regularly clean makeup brushes: clean your makeup brushes and sponges regularly to prevent bacteria buildup. Stress management: stress can trigger oil production, so practice stress reduction techniques like meditation or yoga. Limit alcohol and smoking: these habits can worsen oily skin and lead to premature aging. Consult a dermatologist: if your oily skin persists or worsens, consult a dermatologist for personalized advice and treatment options. Remember that everyone's skin is unique, so it might take some trial and error to find the best routine for your oily skin. Be patient and consistent with your skincare routine to achieve the best results. Thanks for watching.